What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be using the Melanin Twist Elongating Styling Cream because I think I told you guys that I wanted to break into this and try it out again. The last time I used it, it was a while ago, and I don't know, my routine has changed a little bit since I used it, so I just wanted to give it a try for a twist out. And I was getting ready to do it, and I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and film it. So I am doing it on stretched hair because I just stretched my hair. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, just a little bit, not a lot. I just stretched my hair so I could clip my ends. So yeah, so that's why my hair is stretched. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the cream and apply it, and we're gonna see how I like it. See how it works for me this time around. I tried it in the past, I believe, and I'm trying to think. It's been so long ago that I can't remember if I tried it for a twist out or as a cream underneath a gel. I may have even did it for both, but I will definitely link my video. But like I said, it was a while ago, like when I first started my channel, so I was still, you know, learning, and so I want to give it another shot. Give it a fair shake. And guys, I'm making my twist a little bit smaller than normal. So we're gonna see how that works out. But anyway, you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to twist my hair all over, and I'll be back when I have all the twist applied. Okay guys, I got all my twist in, and I'm gonna let these dry, and I will be back for the takedown, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back, and we are going to start taking down these twists. Now, I will say that these twists feel very soft, and of course I did do it on, you know, dry hair, so I do have a little bit more elongation than I normally do, so that's good. They're coming apart quite easily. I'm separating them once first, and then I might separate them again. You guys know I usually will separate all the way through, but just doing something different this time since it was done on dry hair and it's a softer hold. I'm going to just take them down once, see how that looks, and then I'll decide if I want to separate past that. So let me go ahead and just speed this up.
You are the vine, and we are the branches. I can do nothing apart from you. Giver of life.
Okay, so this is just one, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and separate some more, just to help get rid of the parts, just so it doesn't look so, oh, here's a whole twist I missed, just so it doesn't look so, you know, it looks like I only separated once. So I want it to look just a little bit more full. So I'm only going through again and separating it once again, and hopefully that's enough.
In your word and being able to listen, I can do nothing apart from you. lifeline. You're my 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 lifeline. Yeah. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. Yeah. In you I live, in you I give. In you I love and can't forgive. In you is where my breathing is. You're my lifeline. In you I live, in you I give.
So I decided to pull it apart more than twice, because when I did it again, I was like, well, it could be pulled apart some more. So I did a little bit more till I got it to this. Now it can definitely be pulled apart some more because I still have a lot of big coils and a lot of definition that can be definitely pulled apart, but I'll continue to do that as the days go on. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. So this is what I used on my hair. I did use it on dry, stretched hair. I just sprayed a little bit of water on each section, added the cream, and twisted it up. As you can see, I did not use a lot at all, so it's still at the very top. So you only need a little bit. Now, it says it gives long-lasting definition. I'll come back and let you know that there's no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, formaldehydes, phthalates. It does have shea butter and natural oils in it. And it says you could use on wet or dry hair. I opted to use it on dry hair. And it said you can use it with your favorite leave-in. I didn't use a leave-in with it. I did have a leave-in in my hair at the time that I shampooed my hair, but then remember I put on a heat protectant, I stretched my hair, and then a day or two later is when I actually used this, and all I did was spritz a little water and added this to it. So I didn't have a leave-in on wet hair right under this. Okay, so I want to let you know that. So as far as elongation is concerned, I do feel like my twists are a little bit more elongated, but I think that is due to me doing it on dry hair versus wet hair. So I'll have to come back to you as far as elongation on wet hair. What I will say is my hair is very, very soft. And look at that. See, I need to separate that. And based on the fact that I didn't have a leave-in right under this, my hair is still very moisturized, even though, like I said, I blow dried my hair in between the wash and the set of this. So right now, I like this. I can feel the oils on my hands a little bit. Right now, it's not so much that I don't like it, because y'all know I don't really like oily hair, but it doesn't feel oily. It doesn't feel oily to the point that my hands are slipping off of things and stuff like that. I don't feel like the oil is going to transfer onto a lot of stuff. So that's great. And I only used a little bit. I didn't use a lot at all. So I think that's going to be determined too on how much you use. If you're heavy-handed, you may feel a little bit more oil, a little bit more of your hair weighed down, as opposed to if you use less. I used less. I remember in the past when I used this, I felt it was quite heavy. I felt I got a little bit of flaking or whatever. So this time I wanted to make sure that I use less and I don't feel the heaviness. My hair definitely feels light. It does move. It has body, but it still has the definition. So yeah, it looks healthy. It doesn't look overly shiny or anything like that. This doesn't say that it adds shine, so I'm not expecting a lot from it in that regard. Said it's supposed to reduce tangles and knots. I don't know about that either, because my hair was already detangled. I didn't use it as a detangler, and I also didn't and it doesn't say that you can. I'm just letting you know. And I haven't tried to detangle my hair because this is fresh. So I'll try to come back and let you know about that as well. It does say you can use this for a wash and go. So I don't know if that means alone or under a gel. It just says this is perfect for twist outs and wash and goes. So there you go. The smell, you really don't smell anything. I'm gonna say it's scent free. If anything, you're gonna smell a little bit of a shea butter type scent, if anything, but it doesn't have a prominent scent like they're leaving, and it doesn't have a minty scent or anything like that. It just, to me, is scent free. So if you know, are have an aversion to scents, this shouldn't bother you at all. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think of this twist out. Have you used the Melanin Twist Elongating Styling Cream for your twist outs? If you have, do you like it? Let us know in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about this. I definitely will come back on day 3, or either I'll leave a blurb here to let you know how it lasted and give you my final thoughts. But so far, initial thoughts, I like it. I like the way my hair looks today. So yeah. Hey Sun Rays, real quick, wanted to come on. I don't know how well y'all can see my hair, but this is third day hair, and it's actually, sun is going down and I'm on my way to my cousin's, and so I didn't get a chance to film it. I did film it for the vlog that will come up before this, but I wanted to go ahead and do a third day hair with you guys too. So this is third day hair using the twisting cream from Melanin, and still looks good, still very defined. Will definitely get me through tomorrow, and then I'll probably wash it on Monday just because I got a busy week next week, and I don't want to go out next week without washing it because that's just too long for me. So I'm gonna wash it on Monday so I can go the rest of the week and do the things that I need to do. But I did want to show you guys, the sun is setting so it's kind of bright, but I did want to show you guys third day hair. Hopefully you can see it. Sorry, maybe if I open this you can see it better. Okay, can y'all see it better? Maybe you can see it better. Okay, now I'm in the trees, but yeah, this is it. I like Melanin. I did twist it last night because I went to my cousin for a massage and she massaged my head, and so when I left there it was pretty frizzy, so I did retwist it last night, but I didn't put any water on it. I didn't put any refresher on it. I didn't put any more product on it. I just took big twists like I always do, twisted it up, or I just grabbed hair, twisted it up just to try to keep it stretched out so it wouldn't mat, and any little frizz that she had given me to try to get it a little bit defined again. So that's all I did. Took it down today, and this is it. So it is still holding up. So guys, I think my thoughts on Melanin from way back when have changed. I think the twisting cream is good. Didn't get any flaking. My hair still looks healthy. Doesn't look dry or anything like that. Has the definition and it's moisturized. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna get on off here so I can get to my place. Now back to the video today. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.